Exercise 1.1, first question, find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. So in that, for the first question, they have given the values for A and B. So first we will find A cross B. So write down the given value of A, then write cross, then write B value. So if you want to check your answer whether it's correct or not, count the number of elements in A. So A has 3 elements and then number of elements in B. So B has 2 elements. So multiply these two numbers, 3 into 2. So you should get 6 ordered pairs. So now we will start writing A cross B value. A cross B is equal to flower bracket, start with the first number 2. So 2 has to be paired with the first element of B. So 2 comma 1. So the next pair will be 2 comma minus 4. So now the first element is done. Now go with the second number, that is minus 2. Minus 2 comma 1 and minus 2 comma minus 4. Next will be number 3. So 3 comma 1 and 3 comma minus 4. So now count the number of ordered pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we have found A cross B. Now we will find A cross A. So write A cross A is equal to, write the value of A, 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 cross again the A value 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. So count the number of elements in A, it's 3, so 3 square is 9. So after writing the ordered pairs, just count and check whether you are getting 9 pairs or not. Same like before, start with the first element 2. So 2 will be paired with the first element of A again, 2 comma 2. So next will be 2 comma minus 2. Next will be 2 comma 3. So now we are done with 2. Now we will go for minus 2. So minus 2 comma 2, minus 2 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 3. Next will be 3 comma 2, 3 comma minus 2, 3 comma 3. So now count and check whether you are getting 9 ordered pairs or not. So next we need to find B cross A. So write B cross A is equal to, the value of B is 1 comma minus 4 cross A value is 2 minus 2 comma 3. So start with the first element, open the flower bracket. First element is 1, so 1 has to be paired with every element of A. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 3. So next will be the element minus 4. So minus 4 comma 2, minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 4 comma 3. And count and check whether you are getting 6 ordered pairs or not. So for the next question, they have given both the values of A and B to be P comma Q. So first we'll find A cross B. So A cross B is equal to, write A value cross B value. So start with the first element P. So we will get P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P, then Q comma Q. So next will be A cross A. A cross A, you will get the same answer because both A and B values are same. So P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P and Q comma Q. Next will be B cross A. It's again the same ordered pairs, P comma P, P comma Q, Q comma P, then Q comma Q. So for the next question, a value is m comma n and b value is pi. So first we'll find a cross b. A value is m comma n cross b value is pi. So when you cross elements with a pi, you will get null set. So next is a cross a. A value is m comma n cross, again it's m comma n. So start with the first element m. So you will get m comma m, m comma n, n comma m. So next b cross a is again a null set. Second question, let a is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and b is equal to set of x such that x is a prime number less than 10. Find a cross b and b cross a. So here a value is given directly as 1, 2, 3, but b value they have mentioned that it's a prime number and it is less than 10. So first write value of a, that is 1, 2, 3. So value of b is a prime number and that should be less than 10. So the prime number value which are less than 10 are 2, 3, 5 and 7. So we'll write down the values for a cross b. So a cross b is equal to, open the flower bracket, start with number 1, you will get 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, then 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5 and 3, 7. So if you want to check your answer is correct or not, count the number of elements in A and B. So it's 3 and 4. 4 3s are 12. So you should get 12 ordered pairs. So next we will find B cross A. So we'll write the values of B, that is set of 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross A value is 1, 2, 3. So we'll start with number 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 7, 1, 7, 2 and 7, 3. So third question, if B cross A is equal to set of minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3 and 3, 4, find A and B. So to solve this, first write what is given. So given is B cross A value. So always in the ordered pair, the first element will be belongs to the set of B and the second element in the ordered pair will be belongs to the set of A. So what will be the set of B? Minus 2, 0 and 3. And A value will be 3 and 4.